Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today we're going to take a quick look at an unboxing and installation of this gimbal protector for the Osmo Pocket. This is from a company called Pgytech, and they make a few different Osmo Pocket accessories. And the reason why I got this is because in a video I did a few days back, or a week or so ago, I guess, I went over the Osmo Pocket accessory pack or extension pack, which includes a few different items. One of them is this scroll wheel, control wheel, scroll wheel for the Osmo Pocket. And in that video, I was kind of talking about the fact that, with the control wheel on, it does not fit in the Osmo Pocket case anymore. And I like the case because it protects the gimbal when you're traveling or you're sticking in your pocket or kind of doing that sort of thing. So it's really nice to have a case to protect this. Now, on the DJI forum, I saw a couple people had cut out this section down here using like a Dremel tool or X-Acto knife, but this plastic is kind of stiff. So I just thought, like, if I tried to do that, I didn't want to risk screwing the case up a bunch, right? So I kind of complained in that video of the fact that this was kind of a problem, and I don't want to take this scroll wheel on and off just to use this case. So I started to look around. After I did that video, I was kind of thinking to myself, oh, there must be a solution to fix this. And I got a comment from another YouTuber that I kind of follow on YouTube and have been watching some of his videos and subscribed to his channel. And his name is Colin from the Begg Family Antics channel, and I'll link to that in this description. It's kind of funny. Colin and Christine Begg, they're from the UK, and they just have retired kind of like their daily vlogs and all that stuff. And he uses an Osmo Pocket now a lot, and so I kind of watch a lot of their videos just because it's interesting, and it is a fun channel to watch. So anyways, long story short, he mentioned in a comment, like, hey, why don't you take a look at this, right? And that he uses it, to protect the gimbal head, which is what I want to do, right? I want to protect the head of the gimbal when I'm traveling, or it's in my pocket or whatever, right? So I ordered this gimbal protector from Pgytech. Link is in the description. You can get this off of Amazon. And so today I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing here and install it and check it out. So I don't know how the easiest way to open this is. I don't want to rip the box too much. Well, I guess I'm gonna rip the box. Oh, well, that was not the way to cut that open. Okay. So let's kind of pull this out. Okay, so what do you get in the package? You get Osmo Pocket Gimbal Protector, Pgytech, a tutorial, QR code link. So you should check that out online. You get a sticker. Pgytech sticker, and then here is the actual gimbal protector. Now, the seller I ordered this from on Amazon, the seller's name I think was Lucky Bird, and they give you a complimentary micro SD card to USB card reader. So I thought that was cool. Nice little added accessory from that seller. So definitely check that out if you get a free micro USB reader. Always nice to have, I suppose. But basically, here it is. I mean, and as you can tell, I mean, it's nothing crazily special, right? Or it's just a piece of kind of semi-translucent smoked plastic. Has the Pgytech logo on it, and I don't know if you can see that very well in the camera angle from above. It's kind of hard for me to even see the screen to know, but yeah, so it's just a smoked plastic, heavy duty. It's not flimsy, and there's a couple soft, almost rubbery inserts on there, so it kind of protects and kind of clamps a little bit around the kind of neck of the gimbal. So basically what happens is you just slide it on in. So I mean, there you have it. So, I mean, like I said, this is not like a rocket science sort of thing, but it's a slick idea, right? So you can protect the head of the gimbal in your pocket, and kind of keeps it pretty solid, pretty straight. Doesn't allow for it to get messed up. And then now you can keep your accessories on. So whether you have this on or whether you're using the Osmo Pocket GoPro mount or other things, you don't have to take them off to put it in the case or whatever if you want to protect the gimbal, and you just put this on, and it slides basically right off fairly easily. Yeah, so pretty easy to install. You just kind of line it up and then just push it on. I guess it wants to go best, yeah, from this direction. And as you can see, it kind of, I actually don't know if you can see, but it kind of hugs the curves of the top of the gimbal body, and then kind of keeps it from rotating. So there you have it. I mean, this was just a quick video just to kind of go over the unbox this and install it on the device. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please leave a comment below. Also, just let me know, are there any other accessories that I should consider for the Osmo Pocket? I'm always open to others' thoughts and opinions on those sorts of things. And also, I'm going to throw a poll on here too. What are your favorite Osmo Pocket accessories? And I'll have a couple of things listed that that you can get off of DJI's website or Amazon and that sort of thing, and just be interested to see what others are using on their devices. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.